the Spirit itself beareth witness with our spirit that we are the children of God. Romans 8:16.
Hi everybody, I'm Fee and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some purchases I made at the Coach outlet near my home today. And it's going to be hopefully a quick and short video because I just wanted to come on and share with you what I picked up today when I was out shopping. As you all know, I've been talking about taking a vacation at the end of summer, and it's nearing to get to that point where it's almost time to go. And I just really thought about it, and I had been watching a lot of different YouTube things about people having their belongings stolen from hotels and all kind of craziness. So I decided, you know what, I don't think I'm going to take any of my high-end designer handbags with me. The places that I'm going are tropical and I really don't care. I don't know anybody where I'm going. There's no one there to impress. I would really rather leave those items at home and not have to be concerned with them. So today I decided to go looking for a decent crossbody that I could take on vacation, and I found the perfect one. So I wanted to share it with you. But before I do that, I wanted to say thank you for those of you who are returning. And if today is your first time clicking on my thumbnail, thank you, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. This has been a slow crawl for me on YouTube, and I'm okay with it because I really don't have any underlying agenda or motive as far as YouTube is concerned. I'm just sharing what I enjoy doing, which is shopping and finding deals. And I'd like to share those with you. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up today from Coach, please hang in there with me and like and subscribe to my channel if you will. And don't forget to click on the notification bell because that will alert you when I have new videos posted. So if you're ready, I am too. Let's get started. Before we get into the purchase, like I said, I'm going to try to keep this sweet and quick for you today. I did want to share my scent of the day. It's Fenty by Rihanna, Blueberry Tangerine, Yumminess. And as you can tell, there's hardly any left in this bottle, but I've got backups. You can purchase this at Sephora for $140 plus tax. This is my third bottle. I absolutely love this. I layer it with so many different vanilla or fruit scents, and she really did it with this. If I have to be honest about this particular scent, I will say that when I first smelled it, I didn't quite like it on first spray, but after I wore it, actually I took it home and let it sit for a week or more, sprayed it and let it sit. And after I actually tried it on again, something in there just grabbed me. It got a hold of me, and I just have not put it down since. I love it. And so I like to layer it with so many different things, but today I'm layering it with Choco Musk. And this is one of the scents I purchased off of Amazon, and it was part of my Middle Eastern video. So if you haven't seen that, please go back and look at that. And these two together, this is chocolate, this is blueberry tangerine. I just smell yummy and delicious, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I've heard lots of people say different things about why they do or don't like this, but for me, it's a keeper. I'm going to always have it in my collection. So if you're interested, Fenty and Choco Musk, this combination, chef's kiss. Now, before I go on to my purchases, I wanted to give a quick shout out to a YouTuber that I follow. I don't know her personally. I love her website. I love her channel. I enjoy watching all of the beautiful things she does, from her handbag collection, remodeling her closet, her home. She does a lot. But one of the things I learned is that she makes her own body butter skin products. She has oils and she has body butters, and I happened to be watching her show and I saw her talking about it, and she talked about how people who have products don't rep themselves enough, that they're so busy giving shout outs to other brands that they don't rep their own brand. And so she took a quick, couple of seconds to talk about her brand. And this one here that I got is called Unfrumpy Skin Monkey Farts. Now, let me share with you, the name kind of threw me off, but when I went onto the website to order, everything was sold out. Look at that. It's so thick. It's creamy. It melts in your hands. It's very emollient and moisturizing. And I saw her do this on her channel, and I said, I got to have some of that. But when I went on there, she had some scents that were like Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. She had a couple of different perfume scents that are inspired by other designers that smell just like them, and they were all sold out. At the time that I went on, this was the only scent that wasn't sold out, and it was called Monkey Farts. But the reason I bought it is because I heard her describe it and talk about it. The name was a turnoff, but she said that it was the same scent as the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And as you can see, I'm almost out of the Bum Bum Cream. So when she said that, that was all I needed to hear. I didn't care what it was called. So I went ahead and I ordered it, and it finally came in. And I don't know if you can see that, but I love that. And to be honest with you, it looks like it would feel greasy, but it does not. It does not. And then it dries into your skin very nicely. And so, like I said, I don't know Unfrumpy Mommy on YouTube. I just follow her and I enjoy her channel. So if you're interested in checking out some of her products, look her up. Subscribe to her. And I like to always give people a shout out when it's something that I can vouch for. Now, I had to try it for myself, and I did, and I love it. And when the other sites, when the other scents come back up on her channel, I'll order some of the other ones. I really want to get that Tom Ford Lost Cherry scent. She calls it something else, but I don't know if it's Found Cherry or what, but I want to get it because I love that scent, and I have that perfume, and I would love to have a body butter that matches that scent. Now, let's get on to what we're here for, okay? So like I said, I'm going somewhere tropical. So I went to the Coach outlet today and made a purchase. Oh, also, let me see. Okay, the receipt's in another bag. Made a purchase. Now, the earrings that I'm wearing today, if you're interested in them, they're from, what's the name of the place? Fashion Nova. I got these at Fashion Nova, and they were like $8. I love them because they're crosses. And you know I'm Christian, and so I love crosses. And the blouse I'm wearing, I'll list all of this stuff down in the description box. It's a blouse from Amazon. And I'll have some other pieces of clothing items that I purchased from Amazon that I love. And I won't say will vouch for, but I will say that are high quality and good for the price. And fashionable and trendy. And I like that. So if you're interested, check down in the description box, and I'll list everything that's going on here today. And let's get to it. Oh, goodness. And what's really sad about the outlets is that they charge you for a dust bag. I can't believe that. Other places give you the dust bags, but when you go to the outlet, they actually charge you for it. So I'm going to leave this box here, or I'm going to move it. Let's move the box. So I was thinking about the needs of traveling and needing to carry something lightweight. I still wanted, designer. I just didn't want to carry my Louis Vuitton or my YSL or my Gucci or any of that kind of high end that I spent lots of money on and don't want to replace if someone were to steal it. But I thought this was perfect, and I love the gold hardware, and it has a tag here. And what I really love about it is that it has the guitar strap, like most of the newer Louis Vuitton purses have today, the guitar strap. So I thought that was interesting. I know Marc Jacobs has gone to making bags with guitar straps. This was the first time I'd seen one on Coach that wasn't a small, like, camera bag. But I love it. It's going to be perfect for my needs, just to be able to carry my essentials. The leather, the camel leather, there's no feet on the bottom, which is okay, but it's really structured. It's coated canvas. I have a back zipper pocket. Hope you can see that. And inside, there's another zipper pocket right here. That's the depth of the purse, but not quite the width. And then there's another slip pocket right here that you just can slide something in. And other than that, it's just a deep open bucket. But I love bucket style purses. I don't know about you, but I do. And this one will hold everything I need it to hold. Just my basic essentials, my phone, my ID, my credit card holder, just the basics. I didn't get the wallet because, like I told you on previous videos, I don't like keeping my credit cards in a wallet. I keep them in an RFID folder so that it can keep them from being scammed, because people can just walk up next to you and get all of your credit card information from a credit card that's just in a leather wallet. So I stopped buying a lot of small leather goods when I buy the purses because I'm really not using them. So at any rate, I hope you like that. I do. Now this guitar strap, it's orange and beige, or like a peachy orange cantaloupe color. and beige stripe, and has the leather here. The D-rings on the purse are on the corners, and it's perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's going to carry everything I need. And because I could, and because they had it, you know how I am. If I can find a matching shoe to go with the bag, I always grab that. I would rather have the matching shoe than to have a small leather good. So it matches. Put that there. So, and here's the shoe. It's just like a little Birkenstock sandal. And I think I had this in black, right? Big Red? I have this in black already. I think I bought it in black before. This is the Alana Sig sandal. ALLANAHSIG sandal. The Alana Sig. And it kind of looks like the Bomdia flat from Louis Vuitton. It looks like Birkenstock, but it's very comfortable. I already own it in black, and I'll post a picture of my black pair up there for you. And I think this is going to be very great. I mean, some of the places we're going to be doing excursions and walking a lot. And because I've already had a chance to try out the black pair and I love them. And I was trying to decide whether or not to get the Bomdia flats by Louis Vuitton. So this was a great like alternative to try to see if I'm interested, and I am. So I got the brown, I got the black, and then next to the Bomdia from Louis Vuitton at some point, hopefully before the end of summer. But at any rate, that is absolutely everything I wanted to share with you, except I also want to say that I'm dedicating this video today to my Uncle Jerry, who passed away last Thursday night, I think it was. And he lived a long, beautiful, wonderful life. He was a cool uncle, fun to be around, and I have nothing but great memories and a wonderful childhood because of him. And you know, there really is no sadness here because he had one of the best lives you could ever imagine somebody to have. He lived his life the way he wanted to. He did things his way, you know. And so for that, I'm forever grateful. And he wasn't young, so he got to live a life in a nice, ripe age. And for that, I'm proud. Say prayers, if you will, for my aunt and for the 6 children they had, my cousins. But I'll miss him, and I will think of him often and fondly. Thank you guys so much for joining me. God bless you. If you liked what I talked about here today, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, thumbs up it if you will. And just stay tuned for the next one because I've got some other purchases coming up and I want to share them with you. And I'm also going to do a vlog on my vacations at the end of summer. Got a couple of more weeks before I take off. So in the meanwhile, I'll continue to shop and I'll continue to share. How about that? God bless you. May God keep you. May his anointing be upon you today and always. See you next time. Bye-bye.